What's up, guys? Got a good one for you. You can thank me later. When two billionaires fight, apparently Bitcoin cares, which is very humorous. So we've got ourselves a gain here on the monthly. It's a big deal. Love that. Okay. And so now we're just looking for a pullback because not only did we gain on the monthly, but we've gained on the weekly as well. So they've already tested all this stuff. So now we're looking for the next area to try to get a buy. All right. So we have this monthly here at 96,848 and a weekly at 94,510. Looking pretty solid in this area. This is also the weekly support to the all-time high. This is a big trade. This is a big level. This is a monster spot. And you want to stop out below 92,750. Just to kind of give you an idea on Bitcoin CME, this is approximately $400 a contract. Okay, if we get stopped out, we come down here and we play this massive leg end. I would just load up down here if that's the case. So I welcome a stop if that's what they're going to do. But other than that, I think this area is going to be good. Okay, so I'll go ahead and go into the daily real fast so you can check it out on a smaller time frame. But a lot of confluence here, guys. There's some dailies up here at 96.8 and down here at basically 95,000 into 94.5. We've got that weekly daily, and you can see where I think you could stop out there and be pretty safe. If you wanted to be extra careful, you could do 91,500, but this is giving yourself an extra sweep of this week, so we'll see. Anyways, like I said, if they don't, we're going to come down here and we're just going to buy the shit out of this anyway, so it is what it is. Let's go ahead and check out the CME contract, and I'm going to do the same thing. It does look different. I will say that. It does look slightly different, but not terrible. Okay, so we're using the back adjusted contract here. It's insane how different this is. Look at this back adjusted contract. They pulled back into this massive support area. And as you can see, on Bitcoin spot, we didn't. It's insane. Okay, so the futures have been extremely clear on back adjusted, and they gained once again. Now we're going to pull back, and we're going to come back into this monthly area. It looks the same as the other contract as far as levels wise. Okay, so boom, here it is right here. Again, weekly support to the all-time high. Okay, so here on the CME contract, it's 98,490 through 97,785. I'm gonna go ahead and break it down in just another time frame real fast for you guys. Boom, here we are. All right, so we can move another daily up here. So there you go. There's your zone. You got 98,490 all the way into 96,025. We want to stop out below 94,300. That's my trade. That's the trade I'll be taking when this alarm goes off. I'll be setting my orders when the market comes back on. And so, we'll see how it plays out. Obviously, do your own research, manage your own risk, all that jazz. But wanted to let you guys know that this was coming. And then again, worst case scenario, we come down here and play this beauty, which I'd be more than happy to just gobble up. But I think this is going to be a very key spot because once we get down here, we have to reclaim this. So if we hold this, we're going to make another new all-time high. It's that simple. So if we can get in this and get moving and get back above this weekly area here at 102,880, and especially this monthly at 104,635, she's a goner. This is a daily, untested daily here, so this is probably where our first real area of resistance is at. Which is 105,000. So essentially giving us our T1 if you wanted to take a partial before the all-time high, because it's not a bad idea. We don't know if they're going to make an all-time high. We have a good probability, a good assumption. But anyway, so 105,000, it's a nice, let's call it $6,000 profit target. So on each one of these micros, each $1,000 is worth $100. So even one micro will pay you $600 for T1, and you will have a $400 risk. So that's what we're looking at, and talk to you later.